stencil on his arm. The easiest way to do with an arm is have him sort of in a military position, completely straight down. You're going to want to take alcohol diluted, wipe off the area. And then, as I've said in the other ones, I use Dettol, which is a first aid antiseptic you can pretty much get at any tattoo magazine or any tattoo store. It's just a little bit cleaner way. I've seen several different approaches to it. Just the biggest one I can say is don't use underarm deodorant. It's the easiest way to cross-contaminate. So I got Dettol in a normal ink container. I'll take it and just put a small film throughout his arm. You don't want to saturate him, but you want it enough to where it's going to cover everything. And this tattoo that we're putting on him is a pretty complex tattoo, so. And obviously this is after you've shaved his arm and have it cleared off. Now this is the tattoo that we're doing today. As you can see, it's going to be a pretty complex tattoo coming down his arm. So I'm going to take my stencil, which is already pre-designed, which at this point we should have already covered, and I'm going to use his center line here, sort of anatomical, and go straight down to get this perfectly lined up. I'll start with the top, and if you get the top straight, everything else will kind of fall into place. Got that there. And this is the part you just start folding over. And then from this point, I would never completely 100% trust that you got enough Dettol on it to cover the entire tattoo. To compensate for that, I'm going to take a moist cloth and just kind of hit all the corners and pan it out. And do this over the whole tattoo. Again, the great thing about having a stencil is it will give you an idea of what it's going to look like, and if it is crooked, don't be too biased to take it off and start again. If you use stencil paper, the only way you're going to properly do that is with alcohol. So after I've patted the area down, just kind of let that dry on there. Go ahead and I'll leave a corner unflapped and just check it. And to me, that looks exactly how I want it. So